In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert video in Behance. Whether you prefer a quick direct upload or want more control by embedding from a hosting site, I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can showcase your work smoothly. First up is the direct upload method. After you log in to your Behance account, head to Share Your Work and choose Project to open the project editor. In the editor toolbar, look for the Video Fay Audio button and click it. This opens a file picker where you can select your video from your computer. Once selected, Behance will start uploading and automatically convert your file into a web-friendly format, so it plays reliably across devices. This is straightforward and keeps everything in one place. Keep in mind that Behance displays video at a maximum width of 1280 pixels. For performance, it's best to keep your video under 50 megabytes, even though the platform allows files up to 1 gigabyte. Smaller files tend to load faster, which makes your project feel more polished to viewers. If your video is large, consider compressing it before uploading to speed things up and avoid playback delays. Now, let's look at the recommended approach for better control. Embedding from YouTube or Vimeo. Start by uploading your video to your preferred host and publish it there. Once it's live, copy the embed code provided by the hosting site. This will usually be an iframe snippet. Go back to your Behance project editor and click Embed Media. Paste the iframe code into the box and Behance will place your video right inside the project. This approach gives you more flexibility, including the ability to choose a custom poster image on the hosting platform so the thumbnail looks exactly how you want. It also helps with performance since the video is streamed by a player optimized for the web. If you need to update the video later, you can make changes on YouTube or Vimeo. And your Behance project will reflect those updates without re-uploading. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.